I found the typewriter buried beneath a pile of forgotten trinkets at Mrs. Lark's garage sale. It was an old Underwood, keys worn smooth by stories untold. That night, as I sat alone, the keys began to clack by themselves, each stroke echoing in the silent room. The first story it typed was about a shadowy figure watching me from the window. I laughed it off, but when I glanced up, the curtain swayed as if someone had been there. The next night, it typed about my childhood fear of drowning. The bathtub filled itself, water creeping over the edge like icy fingers. I unplugged it, but the stories continued, each more terrifyingly intimate than the last. I realized the typewriter wasn't just tapping into my fears, it was feeding off them. I tried to destroy it, but it reassembled, keys clacking faster, warning of a fear I hadn't yet faced. As the final story unfolded, I understood.